guest on our show eating, and I think it's a great idea. हम घर पर आके कर रहे हैं आपके.
I've noticed guests on your show, they only pretend to eat.
Sometimes, yeah. तो आपके घर पर, you know, dad's Punjabi, mom's South Indian. So what kind of khana is made?
And this is half Punjabi, half South Indian. This is
Much
every
like
day.
that, yeah. Like paneer bhurji के साथ idli and sambar हो रहा है यहाँ पर. Half the dishes I don't even know. Please tell us. I can see this chicken curry.
Chicken curry, which you actually should have with the idli.
Wait, what? Chicken curry with idli?
You have to try that.
What is this combination?
You have to try it. It's very good.
Have you introduced this or is it a legit?
It's a papa thing. Diet wala yahan dena unko normal.
I know I don't look like I diet.
No, I don't
But-
want you to suffer. I've made such good food.